Hello, how are you? Yesterday when we came back, I said to this man to plug the car. He was like, no, I don't feel like it. And I wasn't the one that was driving. He was the one driving. So now I'm in the car because I want to plug it to charge because I want to go to somewhere later. It's 30% and I just don't feel like going to somewhere, or we're driving to somewhere looking for somewhere to charge and things like this. Of course, you're going to get superchargers because there are superchargers everywhere for Tesla. But I don't want to be doing that. And I hope that no one is charging in the complex because I will be pissed. Okay, good morning to you. Good morning to you. I hope you are doing well. I hope you had a good week. I hope everything is good with you. And I wish you all the best. I'm wishing you all the best. Wishing you everything wonderful and amazing because you are the light. There's something that really sometimes get on my nerves in a way whereby I'll be like, you have other problems. Why are you wasting your energy taking paracetamol for a headache that isn't yours? Some of our people are so crazy. I don't understand why some people who are literally struggling financially, emotionally, and otherwise feel the need to want to shame somebody. If your priorities are misplaced, if you are struggling and you are trying to project your insecurities and your anger towards someone that did not do anything to you because you feel that person is an easier target, I don't have anything to tell you. I don't know how my videos got on the Nigerian For You page and the African For You page. It is wild, the number of insults I get. I'm not saying that every other gay people don't get insults because I see other gay people from other parts of the world get insults as well, but I don't think it's as much as I get from some of our people. I have said this so many times. A lot of them are suffering from religious psychosis. The number of times people will come and say to me, oh, you wear okrika. For some of you who don't know what okrika is second-hand clothing. It's when you thrift. And I look at them and I'm like, okay. The number of times people have insulted me and then end up coming to ask me for money, it's crazy. Or they ask me, they say, oh, can you connect me to someone that is rich? Can you help me with a rich man? Can you help me to move to America? And I'll be like, I don't live in America. Or they will come and say to me, oh, that the so-called person is going to come for you. And I'll be like, I don't live in America. I don't understand. Let me go and plug the car quickly. I am not gonna lie. I packed Higgy and Haga to plug this car. The car is charging. I do not understand why every of the ice around this complex has melted, but this place is ice. It is ice. It feels like a freezer. If you are not careful, you're going to slide and fall and break a bone. I was so scared as well because the car may slide as well. I have some like the footage I post on YouTube Shorts for the podcast and the clip I post on this vlog channel as well for the podcast. So I'm going to try to edit those. I am expecting a package from Sephora that I was supposed to receive yesterday. I got an email saying that they won't be able to deliver it to me because of logistics and things like this. So I'm going to receive that today. It's going to take 5 hours, 5 minutes for this to charge to full capacity. Of course, we're not doing that. If it charges to 50%, 60% by the time I get out here to go out, I will be fine. Good afternoon. I thought I was going to be able to go to somewhere with my guy. I wanted to maybe go for coffee and cake. I don't know, maybe we will. And I want to check a few other things if it's possible. So I'm wearing this oldie beanie. I can't remember the name of this brand. I got this years ago. And this jumper is from Carhartt. My dear, there's a lot of lint on this. And we have this particular lint remover here. And I tried to use it. It wasn't doing what I expected it to do. I left it under this yellow jumper from Cause and there's so much lint on it. And my sneakers is from Axel Arigato. What can you see? Can you see me here? I don't know what you can see. Yeah, I think it's manageable. The denim pants is from Bershka. This thrifted suede leather jacket. You can zip it up as well if it's too cold outside. I have my tote bag from Longchamp. So that's the look. Come, let's go. We are on our way. My man finally is with me. He's driving. He wanted to drive alone, but he said he's coming with me. So we are... Maybe where are we going to? I was talking earlier about this particular person that left a nasty comment on my video on TikTok. This is nothing new. I'm a gay man. I'm a homosexual from Nigeria, from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. This is something that I'm not shying away from. I'm not lying about it. I'm not pretending to get married, to conform. I'm not going to get married to somebody's daughter to be a straight man. This is not what we're going to be doing here. This is not what we are doing here. But one thing I don't understand is that some of these people who just want to be extremely homophobic for just no reason. It always is weird that every time all of these things are said to me, they always use the Bible. They always say that God said that it is a sin. Why are you a homosexual? You need to repent. You're going to go to hell. In most cases, in majority of the cases where I get these insults, I don't block them unless if my soul, my instincts says to do so. I will then go ahead to block. The reason why a lot of people from my personal experience don't really come out is the waywardness that you're going to receive from people, the insults. It is not nice. It is not nice for people to always speak to you crazy. People that will never, ever in a million years see you anywhere and have the audacity to speak to you. Because of they see you on the internet, they see your videos, or you go on TikTok live streams, they feel the need to insult you. The obsession with gay men's backside is weird to me. One of the stupid comments yesterday as well, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? This guy left a comment on my video and was saying that he has never ever seen gay men where two of them are men, that there's always somebody that is the woman, that he has never ever seen two muscular gay men that are together. And then I replied to him, you just proved to me that you are less than smart. And he was trying to say, oh, I'm not being mean here, I'm not homophobic, yada yada yada. It's just an observation. There's a lot of muscular men, extremely muscular men. You know, these pro bodybuilders that are in relationships together. There's a lot of them. If you go on the internet, on Twitter, there is a lot of adult movies with gay men who are extremely muscular. There is no particular version of gay men. There are different versions of gay men. And just because of a gay man is effeminate doesn't make that person less of a man. Effeminate men are still men. There is no definition of a man. For me, masculinity is more than how you look, how you present. It is about your character, about the things that you do. Are you a good person? Are you sensitive? Are you emotionally mature? Are you a wonderful husband? Are you somebody that does things that is good for the world, for society, for humanity? That is what a real man is. It is not about the size of your manhood. It is not about your sexuality. It is not about who you sleep with. Because some of you are just crazy and you don't know it. It just feels like I continue to say this all the time, but I will say it. Some of these people are suffering from religious psychosis. Go and get help, because LGBTQIA plus individuals are not your problem. The more I see things like this, the more I feel that what I'm doing, me having my podcast, me being here, making my vlogs, making my YouTube videos, and my website and all of these things is worth my efforts. Anyway, let's go and do whatever we want to do. I don't know what this man wants to do because it feels like he doesn't want to leave the house, and I dragged him out of the house. There was a massive accident on our way here, and there was fire brigade, police cars. This is where things work. Like something happens, all the facilities, all the amenities is there. Some of you Nigerians that are always coming here to come and give me hige and haga, you should take your drama to your government. Because of this, it took us forever. We went round and round and round and round before we got here. We are in Ikea because my man said he wants to check for... So yeah, we check for sleeping sofa and office desk. But this is not long enough, baby. That's not too bad, $2.99.
Yeah, but do you want anything like this?
It's ugly. This is a sleeping sofa where I'm sitting. This is grey. I think this color is better, baby. It's better. I like this color. I prefer this. This color is better. Oh, this looks good as well. $999, that's $1,000. we are done. So we went into Ikea because my mom was thinking of like getting some desk and we want a sofa bed as well. Ikea is somewhere that you go to when you just don't want to spend too much money and you want to get something that looks reasonable. I don't think most of their things are of high quality. Do you not think so?
No, I don't.
There's so many things there. If you are looking to furnish your place, there's this carpet I saw there. Nobody will know. It will give you what you want. And if you just want something that will be cheaper, some of it are expensive, don't get me wrong. Some of it are expensive. The walk-in wardrobes they have there, like some of the beds and some of the things, really expensive. But there's so many things, there's so much to get from Ikea if you are on a budget or if you are looking not to spend money. We couldn't get somewhere to sit down for coffee and cake. It was so packed there and extremely busy. I think my package must have been delivered by now. My skincare that I ordered from Sephora. I ordered 2 face care products from Bioma and jellyfish scrubber, all-in-one scrubber from Clinique. I just got back. I checked. There's no parcel. Sephora hasn't delivered my stuff. There's no email either, which means it's not going to be delivered today. It will be on Monday because they messaged me. It was supposed to be delivered on Friday. I was messaged and was told that it's going to be delivered today. It's not delivered today. No email. Nothing. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for joining the movement for visibility, representation, and truth. Continue to be yourself. Continue to be wonderful. You are the light. Remain wonderful as always because you are. We love us. We see us. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next vlog.